Hello there, future homeowners, and welcome back to the Jason Waters Lending Team. Today I want to talk to you about FHA loans. There's a lot of misconceptions about FHA loans, and I think I can answer a lot of those questions today. First of all, why would you use an FHA loan? Typically, who I see using FHA loans are people with more challenged credit and with little money to put down. So here's an example. If you don't have 5%, 10%, 20% or to put down, you can get into an FHA home loan as little as $0 down or 3.5% down. So a 0% down has a second mortgage backed by some lenders where you have a 3.5% down payment, which is actually a second loan. So you can get into an FHA loan with good credit at 0% down. So that's a great benefit. Now, if your credit is a little more challenged, then you're probably going to go to a normal FHA loan at 3.5% down. What do I mean by challenged credit? So if your score is below 620, then you do not qualify for a conventional loan, and that makes FHA a great possibility. So what have we said? You have lower down payments for FHA loans, so that's helpful to you as a borrower. If you have spotty credit, challenged credit, you're trying to rebuild your credit, you're just starting to build your credit, that makes FHA loan a good option. These loans are backed by the government, so therefore you have decreased risk to the lender and therefore better rates for you. So the mortgage insurance is on there, and so there are some costs associated with it. But if you're a borrower with a lower credit score with a conventional versus FHA, you typically are going to have better success with FHA. The one thing to know, I always tell people to be on the lookout for, the property has to be in good condition and has to pass the FHA appraisal. That is the biggest concern with FHA loans, but it's not a concern I see all that often because realtors typically know if a loan is going to work FHA or if a property is going to work FHA or not to begin with. That's all I have for today on FHA loans. I hope you've learned something. Ask that you please share this video. Please like and subscribe to help us spread the word on how we can help you and your friends buy your first home. Until next time, this is Jason Waters.